I'm dancing for Big Buddy for several reasons, the biggest being Big Buddy itself, a great service organization. It's a chance for me to help the local community and help these special kids, and it's just a great opportunity to help a lot of worthy people.
It has been so much fun dancing with Chad. He is enjoying himself immensely. He's always got a great big smile on his face. He's given 110% for each rehearsal. It's really been a pleasure to dance with him.
My dance ability is all over the place. Basically, I can just memorize what Leonard's telling me to do and not really learn a specific dance, but I'm trying to memorize these steps at least to make myself and Christine and Leonard all look good. But like we said, it's all for a good cause. So my dance ability is a do whatever it takes kind of ability to get the job done.
Chad's a natural dancer. He has a lot of rhythm. He's unafraid to try new things, new steps, and he really does pick up choreography really quickly. So that's been really nice to have somebody who can just take what you give them and roll with it.
The dance lessons have been equally tough. We all love Leonard, but he is tough in the dance studio. Christine Perkins is the good cop to his bad cop, but hey, we just joke with Leonard. He's a true professional, and he's teaching us many different steps along the way, and we look forward to making them both proud here tonight.
The routine we're doing is a freestyle dance. So it's a little bit country, it's a little bit western, it's a little bit rodeo, it's a little bit naughty, it's a little bit nice.
Saddle up, saddle up, saddle up, saddle up. Well, I walk into the room, passing out $100 bills, and it kills and it thrills like the horns on my Silverado grill. And I'm by the bar, a double round of crown, and everybody's getting down in this town. Ain't never gonna be the same. Saddle up, because the girls, they are so pretty. Saddle up, on my old stud Leroy, and the girls say, "Sing my horse, ride it cowboy, ride it cowboy." Sing my horse, ride it cowboy. Well, I don't give a dang about nothing. I'm singing and bling blanging while the girls are drinking. All next down, and I wouldn't trade old Leroy on my Chevrolet for your Escalade, your freak parade.
I'm the only John Wayne left in this town.
Saddle up, because the girls, they are so pretty.
Say the horse, say the horse.
Save a horse, ride a cowboy. Save a horse, everybody say save a horse. Save a horse, everybody say save a horse. Save a horse, everybody say save a horse. Everybody says save a horse, ride a cowboy.